Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're going to dock the toolbox so it behaves predictably. First, open Roblox Studio with a place loaded, then enable Toolbox from the View menu. Click and hold the Toolbox title bar, drag toward the edge of the Studio workspace where Explorer or Properties live. As you move it, you'll see translucent docking guides. These tell you where the panel will snap. Once you see a highlighted slot, release to dock. This reduces accidental movement and speeds up asset placement. Now refine the layout so Toolbox stays useful while you work. When Toolbox is docked, experiment with the docking guides to position it as a side panel or a tab group with Explorer and Properties. You'll see how tabbed panels save space. Click and drag splitters to resize panels until you can view assets and scene comfortably. Once done, make sure Toolbox is a sibling tab or adjacent panel, so selection and insertion are one click. This reduces context switching and speeds your workflow. Finish by ensuring the layout persists and knowing how to fix issues. After docking and resizing, close Roblox Studio and reopen to confirm your toolbox stays where you placed it. Studio normally saves layouts on exit. If it resets or floats again, use View right arrow reset view to restore defaults, then redock. Alternatively, choose a saved layout preset. If the toolbox disappears or is unresponsive, disable and re-enable the Toolbox plugin or reinstall the plugin. That typically clears glitches and restores normal behavior.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.